Bungee to the tree!
Shut the f up, Shake. You know what I mean.
What you saying here?
I'm keeping his head alive with electrical impulses, and the computer is able to translate his brain output into text.
Really? Or is that an F? He's dropping F-bombs over here.
Don't look over here, Meatwad. Translate his brain output into text.
Really? Or is that an F? He's dropping F-bombs over here.
Don't look over here.
Yeah. Y'all ready for this?
Oh man. I swear to bageling God, fry man. I'm so bagely pissed right now. Oh, and by the way, I hope you enjoy eating your own James B, cause I'm about to rip your mother-loving throat out, and shove it so far up your gym, that you'll have to fart to bagely breathe, fornicator.